feeding time. Look at this pretty one right here. Hi guys. Sometimes they allow you to get really close and they don't fly off. And sometimes they don't. Look, I'm a little further back now. They don't want you to be TT please. They're eating. I put seeds down and look at this pretty red one. Hi, red bird. Seeds down, put all different types of nuts, shelled nuts and raw unshelled nuts like walnuts, pecans, almonds, Brazil nuts, macadamia nuts, what else? Peanuts. There's some carrots. I cut up fresh carrots. I cut up some fresh apples and I put those down.